Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students of class 10th, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. As you know, our topic is Speak Up, which is the fourth poem of our textbook. And this poem has been written by Faiz Ahmad Faiz, and it has been written into Urdu language, and later on has been transferred by Shiv K. Kumar. And question number 4 of this poem is, why does the poet urge the reader to speak up now? This is our question, and you all are advised to write down the question from your textbook, and we will write here the answer of this question. That is answer to question number 4. Again, why does the poet urge the reader to speak up now? The poet Faiz Ahmad Faiz, the poet Faiz Ahmad Faiz urges his countrymen, urges his countrymen, 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 to utilize the opportunity properly. The poet urges his countrymen to cooperate. His countrymen to cooperate in the freedom struggle, in the freedom FREEDOM, in the freedom struggle STRUGGLE struggle, in the freedom struggle. For this is the high, surge time, SURGE, surge time, to get rid of the suppression, SUPPRESSION, suppression. Because British arenas, because British reign, REIGN, reign means rule, is weakening down, full stop. Wind of change has already begun to blow. BEGUN, begun है past और begin, past participle of begin, begun to blow The struggle, struggle, the struggle for freedom is, the struggle for freedom is at its peak, top. So he calls upon his natives, upon his natives, to lend their voice, for freedom. यहाँ lend जो है it means give, to give their voice for freedom. This is answer to question number 4, and here in this question there are some words. Surge is the word here, surge. Surge, it means कोई फूरी जोश, जज्बा या दरिया का मौजे मारना. फ्लो, wave, and suppression means elimination, you know it. Reign, R-E-I-G-N, reign. Reign means राज करना, rule. Be supreme, S-U-P-R-E-M-E, S-U-P-R-E-M-E, supreme. Be supreme. Peak जो है पहाड़ की चोटी को कहा जाता है. Here it means top of something, or top. Now see on your textbook question number 5. Question number 5 is, as you all know, this is our 4th poem, the title of which is Speak Up, and we know it has been written by a famous poet, Faiz Ahmad Faiz, and was written in Urdu language. Later on, this poem was translated into English by Shiv K. Kumar. Question number 5 tells us, do you think Speak Up is an effort of the poet to give voice to the voiceless? How? This is our question, and you please write the answer to this question and write down the question on your notebook from your textbook. Yes, the poem Speak Up, is an invigorating it is INVI, invigorating. Invigorating means refreshing, which gives the strength, जो कुव्वत बख्श हो, तकवीयत देना. Invigorating. Yes, the poem Speak Up is an invigorating poem इनविगोरेटिंग पॉइंट इसीलिए इसको कहा गया है क्योंकि इसमें लोगों के अंदर जज्बा जो है, जज्बा दिया, उनको जोश दिया गया है, लोगों को प्रवोक किया गया है. इट स्पीक्स अगेंस्ट the suppression suppression. The poet finds full stop के बाद the poet finds that the common man is too oppressed to speak up. Too oppressed, OPPRESSED, oppressed to speak up. He oblique she is dumb with fear. DUMB. Dear students, we will read here. It is not dumb, it is dumb. Dumb with fear. Dumb, as we know, means silent. मम भी कह सकते हैं उसको इंग्लिश में. मम साइलेंट, गूंगा, साइलेंट. Fear. The poet watches these. People to hear the voice of these people. To hear, HEAR, to hear the voice, VOICE, voice of. To hear the voice of their soul and speak up. Their soul and speak up. SPEAK, speak up. They should realize that realize, REALIZE. They should realize that God has bestowed them. God has BESTOWED, bestowed them. God has given them. God has bestowed them. God has granted them. God has given them. Bestowed is the past of bestow. अता करना, इन्हें अल्लाह ने उनको अता किया है, अता की है. God had bestowed them. God has bestowed them with lips. With lips to speak. With lips to speak. They should come out. They should come out. It means the people of the country should come out for come out of fear. come out of here and speak up freely and liberally. Freely and liberally, liberally. Here in this question, some words are. One word is invigorating. Invigorating, it means refreshing. Refreshing. We can say it in Urdu, Quwwat Bakhsh. Quwwat Bakhsh. And dumb, as you know, D-U-M-B, it is dumb. Dumb means silent. S-I-L-E-N-T, silent, or we can say mum. As we sometimes say to someone, we say, keep mum. Khamosh raho, keep mum. Bestowed means it is the, as we already told you, I already told you, bestowed is the past of bestow. Ata karna. Bestow means ata karna, bakishna. It is, we can say it in English, given, give, or gave. Bestow means give. And we can say grant, granted. Granted. And one word here in this question is, that is liberally. It is liberally जो है असल वर्ड इसका है liberal, L-I-B-E-R-A-L. Liberal is the adjective and it means आज़ाद ख्याल. उर्दू में we can say it in Urdu, आज़ाद ख्याल, liberal. नहीं कोई ये आदमी liberal है, आज़ाद ख्याल का आदमी है. ये it means progressive, abundant. Here liberally means fully, or we can say easily or readily. R-E-A-D-I-L-Y. फराग दिली से, उसको in Urdu we can say फराग दिली से. फराग दिली से. These were the questions from the textbook. There are 5 questions as we see it on the book, and once again I want to tell you something more about this poem. This poem was written before 1941. India was then under the British rule. The British were very cruel rulers. They had repressed the poor Indians badly. People lived a life of fear. They had not the courage to speak up against the cruelties of the British. In this poem, the poet calls upon his people to speak up against their oppression. He tries to feel courage in their hearts. He says that they have lips that are their own. They have a soul that is still their own. They have an upright body that is also their own. So they should use their lips, their soul, and their manliness to speak up. Only then can they break the fetters of slavery. Otherwise, the time will run out and they will have to repent forever. Their body and mind will fade away, and they will lose all the power to act. So they should speak up and say whatever they have to say. Thanks.